So now guys, welcome back. If you are new, please before you go, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. By the way, I want you to subscribe, like and share. Now if you watch my previous video where I predicted that we will actually be having a fall on our weekly time frame, and I also did a video on the 17th whereby we will actually be having a bullish move, and we actually had that bullish move we were looking for on our CADJPY. So this week we would want to be analyzing our price movements. What I'm seeing here is that we're actually still going to be going bullish, by the way, hitting our area here, giving us like a double top on our CADJPY. Now to understand it better, we can see our JPY now. We see that we are actually on a bearish move. We actually now got this retracement, by the way. We have actually gotten this retracement. Now we're actually now on a fall again. That is on our daily time frame. We are actually here. By the time our price open the next week, by the price our market opens right now, our market is closed. By the time our markets open, our JPY index will actually drop around at least this our key area here that I've just highlighted, where our price reversed from. At least we should be dropping to that key area here and even possibly breaking below it and going down. So now one rule is that when our JPY index is actually now going bearish, any pair relating to our JPY should actually be going bullish, as you can see it on our CADJPY. So definitely we are going to be seeing a continuous fall on our JPY index. So our CAD to our JPY should actually be going bullish, by the way. So if you are having a fall on our JPY, definitely our CAD will actually be pushing up, going bullish. So this week we would actually be having a bullish move and possibly a fall again. And if not, we can have actually see a breakout, but I don't know, but we are going to see how price will react or how price will I don't want to predict where our price will move, or just think, or we would want to trade what we see and not what we think. But what we know on our technical standpoint is that we're actually going to be going bullish against our JPY this week. So probably let's take our buy position. It's this our key area here. That should giving us about 353 pips to go. That is about 300 plus pips to grab on our CADJPY, so which is about good amount of pips to grab. Now on our 4-hour time frame, we can mark it as a bullish move, by the way. So, and if you want to take your buy position, best way I'll say go on your 30-minute time frame. When you see multiple break or structure upward, that is a good time to buy. As you can see, we are seeing this multiple break or structure upward, which I'll say take a buy. And if you don't want to take your buy, then actually go on your 4-hour time frame, then apply your 10 period moving average. As you can see it, our price is now above our 10 period moving average. As you can see, our price is about to testing this period moving average. So by the time our markets open, our advice, take your buy as an indication. 30 minutes multiple break of structure upward, which it has given us, so it is a good place to buy. Now on our 4-hour time frame, our price is above our 4-hour time frame, which is another good way to buy. And if you have to compare our CAD to our JPY, we will see that our JPY is falling. Definitely our CAD will actually be pushing up, so it is another good signal to buy. So three ways to three good signals to take our buy position. So when our price opens, take your buy position on our CADJPY, so you'll be able to grab enough pips, and possibly when you grab, try to take your profit above here, and probably set your stop loss below here. I very much doubt if our price will come down to touch it. I very much doubt, because we are actually going bullish this week on our CADJPY. So that is my analysis for the week. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.